Guys, next place I'm going is very special to me because I'm going to the Harry Potter Warner Bros. Studios. This place showcases all the actual sets which were used for the Harry Potter movies. This is the entrance.
The path to the studios was very beautiful and scenic. The weather, which was pleasant at this time, added to the charm of these studios. Seeing Hagrid and Harry stand here created a feeling which was indescribable.
And here we are. Welcome to the Harry Potter studio. And I want to show you something really magical.
The tour starts with the crew explaining why the studio is built, how you will be amazed during the tour of the studio, which was very well true. Seeing this dining hall and Dumbledore, Professor McGonagall, and Snape up the stage brought back some beautiful memories. Seeing this real life moving staircase was very fascinating. We all know how much this pensive holds tremendous value. This is where Harry realized Snape was the hero all along. The Dark Lord was standing there as if he was about to tell Avada Kedavra. If you remember, this Patronus charm was the one which saved Harry from all the Dementors, and seeing this there was very amazing.
はい。それはなるまい。わしの命令で我が子たちはハグリッド。
What is butterbeer? There's nothing alcohol about it. Flavor is kind of like butterscotch The top is full of buttery, frothy kind of thing. Sweetie juice. Should have been a bit hot. Would have been much better.
I bought my Warner Bros. Harry Potter Studios ticket via Klook. Klook gives you a digital ticket with a QR code which you can use to scan your way through the entrance of the Warner Bros. Studios. Bear in mind that the tickets do sell out sometimes, and it's better to always plan ahead the day of your visit and keep your ticket ready.
Hi guys, we just came out of the Harry Potter studios. It was absolutely mind-blowing. Yes, not all of the props are original from the from the studios, but many of them are, and the way it is being shown, the interactiveness which has been maintained between the viewers, the visitors, is truly mind-blowing. The experience is out of this world. I came from Harry Potter Studios to Shinjuku, and behind me you're seeing Shinjuku exit. But the Shinjuku station is very, very confusing. I spent half an hour inside roaming around it, trying to find an exit. Be prepared, guys. Shinjuku is very, very confusing. If you do not ask anyone, if you do not ask the right person, you get trapped for sure. Be careful of it. And here is some Christmas decoration. It has started. So Tokyo during Christmas is very beautiful. And here is the Shinjuku area. All and the confusing station, of course. Oh, buildings. Oh my god, and there is the famous 3D cat. Actually, I thought of going Godzilla head first, but here is the 3D cat. There comes an advertisement, but this is the famous screen on which 3D cat appears. Let us wait for some time. There is the big camera. You will find all electronic items there. There is another animal, chameleon. I don't know whether it's clear.
俺の心の中は鬼、次につなぐ夢。俺は最強を変えたリレー。夢を見てる四十八がそれが俺に神様。必要ならよか姿。俺はラストをかました。あの時の差逆でさ。俺は限られてるよ。次につなぎ向かった。比べ8日と別に変わらず。かました相手に信じ中だ。だから何笑った。だからだけど俺で俺が。
If you ever want to visit Shinjuku area and the places like 3D Cat or Godzilla Head, and if you get stuck in the Shinjuku station and are finding it difficult to find your way back outside, then just try to follow the signs towards East Square. Just follow the signs towards East Square, and at one point of time you will come across a sign for East Concourse, and stay on the same direction because that is your lifesaver, and eventually you will come out of the Shinjuku station. The technology is very cutting edge and innovative, and the animation looks very lifelike. The way the cat rotates and prowls, it's very exciting to watch in real time. Now we are going towards the Godzilla head, which is iconic in the Kabukicho area of Shinjuku. Japan is very famous for its kaiju related pop culture. Kaiju means strange beasts, which includes this Godzilla, Gamora creatures.
Ah, the Godzilla. Freaking awesome. The Godzilla picking through building. I think it spits fire also, but I think it's at an interval of 1 hour, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, we are back at Shibuya Scramble Crossing, but it's night time. See here. Crazy. Half of the crowd are just tourists, okay? I did a good thing by coming here in the daytime. Once again, people are waiting. So near Shibuya Scramble itself, you will find the Hachiko statue. I'll show you. So this is the famous dog who waited for its master to return, but he had died already. I think it almost waited for 10-15 years if I'm not mistaken. And in the memory of Hachiko, they built a statue and you can see people are lining up to take the photo with it. But it's a nice gesture for its loyalty.